made this beat, Moontari made this art. Your art is superhero, Moontari is the bomb. No web swinging and no laser eyes. Moontari's superpower is his creative mind.
Hola mi gente, how's it going? It's Moontari, back with another video. So, this is the first video from the series of original videos. As you know, I release 2 videos a week. One is practice video when I'm trying to basically get my skills to another level. The other is the original video when I'm trying to use that practice and put it into my own artwork. Today's video is the original thing. So this week we're gonna use the alcohol based markers, and since it's June and it's already super hot, we're gonna draw something exotic, something summer like. So without further ado, let's roll into another video.
Hey y'all, so I'm super excited to start this journey, you know. I've been thinking about it for a while and figured out why not. I mean, I love drawing, you know, I love painting, I love doing all this artistic stuff, and right now, especially with that pandemic, I have nowhere to go and show it to people, you know. I figured out it would be a great opportunity to actually get it out, show it to the world, maybe someone will like it, you know. And basically this also is a great way to keep some sort of a schedule, and I want to expand my skills, you know. I want to be better at it, so what's a better way than to practice regularly, right? With videos, if I have a schedule of 2 videos, let's say, a week, then I know I have to keep it, and it will kind of force me to draw more, even if I'm feeling too lazy and like, no, maybe I would prefer to watch some movie, or I don't know, just lay down and cry. Nah, but it will force me to actually be creative, be productive, and that's kind of the thing that I want, that I like, you know. I love drawing, I love painting, I love art, but sometimes you just don't feel like doing anything, right? But I know myself a little bit, and if I know something about myself is that if I'm feeling like doing nothing but then starting painting or doing music or anything, then I actually get so much into it that I enjoyed it, and I'm like, okay, why did I not start in the first place, you know? So with this, I know that it's going to be challenging a little bit, but also in a positive way, so that I can be more productive, and I hope that you people gonna like it. Of course, let me know down in the comments below what you think. I definitely commit a lot of errors still, because this is my first original video, but these are my first steps. So if you have any suggestions, just give it to me. I'm gonna try to be better and better at it, and well, I don't know how far I'm gonna go, but so far it seems like an exciting journey, and I hope you guys gonna join the ride and share this experience with me. You also can support me by giving a like and subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to grow, and this helps a lot, like you don't even imagine that. Well, and if you like the artwork, if you like the thing that I'm doing here, well, you can always share it with your friends, right? But about the video, so alcohol-based markers are one of my favorite mediums. I used to use it a little bit earlier, that's why I know what I'm doing. And basically, if you have the limited color palette, because these markers come in packs of I think 12, 40, 68, and so on and so forth. I think the most is like 120. It also depends on the company that produces them, but I have the limited set of colors. I have the 40 colors, so sometimes you have to blend it, sometimes you have to use the special marker, blender marker, and it really helps to get that different shade from, let's say you have just one red and you want something lighter, then you use the blender marker and you are able to achieve a lighter shade of that red. So with alcohol based markers, the thing is that they are super fun, but also it is sometimes difficult to fix the mistakes, so you have to be pretty much careful about what you're doing and how you're doing that. You just do a little bit more planning, you know. That's how I use them, and so far I really enjoyed the experience. As you can see, the colors are very vibrant. I like it, but as you can see, the mistakes are pretty difficult to cover, and with that longboard I messed it up a little bit. The first set of colors was better, and then you know you have this swamp like green, which well kinda killed the vibe. But you know, we all commit mistakes, errors, so that's it.
So that would be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I've had so much fun with it. If you did like it, consider leaving a thumb up, comment in the comment section down below under the video, and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. If I see that you're interested in my content, I'm gonna do a lot more, and I'm gonna have a chance to expand. You're gonna help me make my dreams come true. So enough with the small talk. I see you in the next video, right? The world won't save itself, it needs a hero, so let's save it together. Until the next time, see ya.